you doing, Torin? You scared him. Go get him. What'd you do?
I accidentally hit that.
Oh, I can fix it. Where are we going? Where are you going? Oh, you got it, baby. Do you my bracelet? You gonna purr? The big scary man shirtless now?
What?
Oh, do you see a shadow?
What, man?
I'm talking to Torin. Hey.
I guess I'll start the shower.
Thought you were gonna start it already.
It is started. I want to start in it.
No, don't leave me.
What? You're busy.
Yeah, well, let's take the cat. Come on, Kit Kat. Let's go. Let's go to the bathroom. Come on.
Why is that?
Well, that way he doesn't meow in here. Come on.
Just close it in the